What's up learners, welcome to a new video of Tech Codex. Well, do you know how can you put your website in internet for free? If you don't know, watch video till end, and if you know also, I am going to host this website on internet without downloading any program. Well, another question is that it can be seen in any devices. Answer is yes, but websites will be responsive. What are the meaning of responsive website? I will tell you later in the video. Now let's start. First of all, open Netlify. I'll give you a link in the description. You can go from there. Also, sign up Netlify. I have already signed up. Netlify, so I don't need to sign up it again. And I have already created. Now we should create one website. Now let's go to local Dixie and create new folder, and then after we can create for Netlify or what is this saying, I don't know what, and open with code. If you don't know what means VS Code, then I have already tell in my second, third, fourth videos. You can go and see from there, and we will do in this HTML. So first of all, let me create HTML file. You can name any this index.html. You can give any name to index, and then after we will start coding. VS Code is a very easy program because in this we don't need to code like this. We don't need to code like this. We can only press this exclamation mark, and this all will come. So VS Code is a program developed by Microsoft Corporation. So it is very easy. Now I'll write here about motorbikes, and then after, and one thing I will clear you that you can only send to your friends if it is responsive or not also, because we need to put custom domain for that, and custom domain cost in every of the website. So let's write paragraph first and write here about motorbikes, and install live server extension from here. Just press live server, type it, then after you will see one thing. There is install button like this. You need to install this live server by retweet day or retweet day. Then after you, one thing will come, open with live server. If you press right click and click on open with live server, and then after our website is like this. Then after, now we should add now image sources, and you need to press Ctrl plus S. Also I have already made one setting. If you also don't want to press Ctrl plus S, then go to here, settings, and here is only user and workspace, and auto save. It will be like this off. You should do like this after delay. Okay, after delay, and you should go again in this and close this, and we can download any of the website from the internet, any of the images from internet. Like this, I'll write here motorbikes, and then after, if I'll write here motorbikes, and then after it images will also come. Then after motorbikes images will come, and we can like this to open image in new tab, and copy this all by Ctrl A and C and put it as here in source, and press Alt Z to see how much it is. So to avoid this, what we will do means, to avoid this, we will first of all delete this. This is deleting is also so much. This is too much. Yeah, I'll delete up to here, and then after I'll press Ctrl plus backspace. Oh, my source one key is going, so I will press delete. So it is so you need to download images. You can delete after hosting in internet for free. Now I will download this image as and save image as, and while downloading you can do like this. You don't need to like this and go to local C where we are doing netlify, and for here you can write here, give name like this. I will give H, then after it will show in here after downloading. Yes, if you have downloaded in any folder, copy that folder and paste in this folder. Copy from that folder and paste in this folder, and if I let h.jpg, compare this much and this much. How it is easy. And alt means if our internet is poor, if we are offline, then what it will be seen. I will write here bike image, and then after we will write some css also. So you need to make folders from here and write, but to keep you source code in a single page, you can copy it without downloading. I am writing like this. Now you can give style. First of all, let's give paragraph this id is equals to, I don't give numbers, id in numbers. If you will give it, it will come error in css. Then I'll write here para, and I will also do like this and like this, and I will do para curly bracket enter. Then after I will write here color is equals to, you don't need to do anything, just write color and it will come all thing. And color I will give here blue, but I'll not give here blue. I'll click on this blue icon, yeah, this blue icon, and now I will choose any of the light colors that can be seen easily. Now I will choose like this color. It is in RGB from, so it is good trick. Then after you can do image also, id is equals to image image. Then you can put any of the IDs, but you need to give a hashtag at first. So image curly bracket, then after I will give this width 45%. Then after I will see like website how it is looking like in our website, how it is looking like. I will see from live server. I'll do open with live server, and here will come. Let me remove this downloading. Wow, nice. But you can do right click on image and inspect, and if you need more width or less width, or you are not fitting in that, then you can do here 45%. Click and you can press up arrow or down arrow to decrease it. I will do up arrow. Yeah, 85% is great, and you copy this and you paste here 85%, not 45. I will do 85%. Then after, now let's write some paragraph about paragraph, and I'll give id at first. Now id is equals to param, and this is para about motorcycle. Now I will copy motorcycle definition from Google, and then after I'll paste it. You should see website rules and regulation after before copying, that it is allowed in to paste websites or not. I will go to about motorcycle, about OBOUT, about motorbike or motorcycles, and then after it will come like this. Then after I will do copy all this, Control C, and I will put here Control V. Then after I will copy this param, Control C, and then after I will do hashtag and do Control V to paste it, and I will give color its color and red because no crimson, because crimson is a very bright color. Now let's see the final output. Wow, first of all remove this and see how much it is nice, but image is too much big, so I will prefer 45%. You can put big small, it doesn't matter, but I like small. Yeah, it is perfect. So now let's add background color. To in all to add background color, write body without giving anything, then give curly bracket and write background color, anything you want, like dark magenta, and I will do like this. I'll click on here and I will do RGB, that one. I will give RGB 1. I'll give RGB 1. But no, it's not happening. I will try it again. I'll give another color, background color, semicolon. I will give dark red, and then after I will do like this. It may sometimes not happen, so you change your color. That means it can't be happen. It can be happen. Then you can paste it like this. Now let's see how our website final output is. Wow, nice. It is like final output, but it's about motorbike's color is too much light, so I will add dark color. I will add dark color here. So in order to add dark color, I will go to any blue color first and go to here. Then after it will, I think, so nice. Yeah, now it is nice. Now our website is also completed. If you want this website, then I will give you source code in the description. Now I will show you what means responsive website. First of all, press F12 on your keyboard. After pressing F12, here is one toggle device toolbar. Yeah, you can click on it and see. In this Samsung Galaxy I had set, it will look like this, and if I see on Surface 2O, it will look like this. That means it is an irresponsive website, because we can't see website according to mobile phone. But if I will go in any other website such as Bootstrap. If I will go to Bootstrap or any other responsive website, then it will be available for all the devices. Now let's go to Bootstrap and see, and press F12 and see it is available for all the devices, because we can see everything in all the devices. See Bootstrap, and here is Google device toolbar also open, and see in iPhone XR we will see like this, Pixel 5 we will see like this, and in responsive we will see like this. You can add your custom dimension here, so I will add here 1000, and I will also write here 1000, 1000 by 1000 also it is like this. So this means responsive website. In order to make responsive website, I have already made one video on that. You can go and watch it on YouTube. First of all, now let's go to Team Overboy, and I have already done for one thing, so I will put here add a new site, import from an existing project. Then after it will like this, and I think here is it. No, it is from GitHub or Git. So let's back this, and we need to write this, and this for netlify we need to do like this, copy here. We need to copy that, so but I will do first back, and here is I can do like this first, that it will be in great column, and do like this, it will be copy. Otherwise you can add site develop manually, you need to do like this, and you can do here demo site for netlify, and you can give copy here, and drag and drop happens. Otherwise if it won't happen, then you can do like this and copy it in here. Now it will start upload. Now site has not be yet developed. It will take few seconds, and to set up a custom domain we need to pay for this website, so we will not do. We should pay for any website to make a custom domain, and we have already secured our website with https because it has already given function of https. So close this and close this also, and close other tabs also, and do control with that one Netlify has given you and paste. If you don't believe it is happening, then I will delete this folder. Yes, I can delete this folder, but it is open in VS Code, so I can't delete. So first of all I will close the VS Code, and if I'll try again, then it will happen. You can share it to any your computer or laptop user friends or family or relatives. This was for today video. If you like, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and share with your friends. They will also know how much amazing videos you make, and give suggestion in comment box.